welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be making jackfruit nachos for the first time. Jackfruit. So, I tried jackfruit, let me tell you. I tried jackfruit probably last year sometime, and it was the pre-packaged jackfruit that already had flavor in it. I think it was like a teriyaki, and we didn't really like it. So I always said I was gonna try it again in the original flavor. So this is the flavor that I have. It's the original jackfruit, and I am going to add barbecue sauce to it. So it's gonna be loaded barbecue nachos. Oh, and I did get this jackfruit from Smart and Final. I was looking everywhere for jackfruit and I could not find it. I looked at Trader Joe's, they were out. I looked at Ralph's, they didn't have any. So if you're looking for some jackfruit, Smart and Final has plenty. This brand actually comes in teriyaki, I think, and barbecue, but I'm gonna put my own barbecue sauce on this. Next, I'm gonna cut up tomatoes and onions and grill them with some black beans. So I'm also gonna put avocado oil in the pan for the onions and beans. I'm gonna put the onions in first so they can kind of saute for a minute. And I'm gonna add some garlic powder. Then once those cook for a minute, I'm gonna add the tomatoes. And the beans. Onion, salt. And peppers. So I set the oven on 350 and I'm gonna put the chips. I just got some regular tortilla chips. I'm gonna put the chips on the pan. Sorry. I'm gonna put the chips on the pan first, and then I'm gonna put all the toppings on top, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven so that it can all melt together. And I'm gonna add this vegan cheese on top. So now I'm gonna make some guacamole. So the nachos are done. And sour cream, plant-based alternative. And that's it. I don't know who's gonna eat all this, but I'm gonna try. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. My first time making jackfruit nachos turned out really good. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.